What is inductive versus deductive reasoning for students? Have you ever wondered how we come to conclusions based on what we see or know? Understanding inductive and deductive reasoning can really help you sharpen your thinking skills. Let's break it down. Inductive reasoning starts with specific examples or observations. You gather clues and notice patterns, then move toward a general conclusion. For instance, if you notice that the sun rises in the east every morning, you might conclude that the sun always rises in the east. This method is often called bottom-up reasoning because it builds from details to a broader idea. It is especially useful when you are exploring new topics or trying to develop ideas based on your experiences. On the other hand, deductive reasoning works in the opposite direction. It begins with a general rule or fact and applies it to a specific case to reach a conclusion. This is known as top-down reasoning. For example, if you know that all mammals have lungs and you learn that a whale is a mammal, you can deduce that whales have lungs. This type of reasoning helps you test or confirm ideas by applying known facts to new situations. For 10th graders, grasping these two types of reasoning is essential for improving critical thinking skills. These skills are vital for studying effectively and managing homework. When you work on assignments, you can use inductive reasoning to form hypotheses by observing patterns in your data or reading. Then, you can use deductive reasoning to test those hypotheses or apply rules you have learned in class. This balance helps you think clearly and make better decisions about your studies. Combining both methods can also improve your learning. In a science class, for example, you might observe specific results in an experiment using inductive reasoning. Then, you can use a scientific law to explain those results with deductive reasoning. Using these reasoning skills supports time management too. Clear thinking helps you focus on relevant information, making your study time more productive. Here are some key points to remember. Inductive reasoning moves from specific observations to general conclusions, while deductive reasoning goes from general rules to specific conclusions. Inductive conclusions are probable but not certain, whereas deductive conclusions are certain if the premises are true. Both reasoning types build critical thinking skills that are useful for homework, test preparation, and managing study time effectively. By practicing both inductive and deductive reasoning, you can become a stronger thinker and learner, better equipped to handle academic challenges.